Okay, we've got a 2004 Rav4 here, coming in with an engine miss or rough idle. We've put it on the scanner. The scanner's come up with a few codes, but this is the main code. Ignition coil A, performance secondary fault. So it probably leads to a faulty coil. So we'll pull the coils out, we'll replace them, and we'll see how we go. Now these ones here aren't very hard to replace. You don't have to pull a manifold off or anything, just remove the air filter. And the coils are just underneath that. Okay, coils are out. Put some Swan coils in. We shouldn't have any problems. Should start hopefully, and it'll run without a miss. Easy job to do. Good money maker. Out of the way. And the Swan coils are probably the best coil on the best aftermarket coil on the market. Good quality at a decent price. So what we'll do now is we'll leave the coils in there and we'll leave them loose. We haven't disconnected anything else electrically, so what I'll do is I'll clear it, we'll start it, and we'll see that code persist. Right, that's cleared. Engine's running, it's not missing, running smooth. We'll give it a few revs and we'll check the code again. No codes present. All good. Just finished assembling it, ready to give back to the customer. 10 minutes of work. Good product. Same time we'll replace this air filter as well. And wouldn't pay to put a set of spark plugs in this if you're doing the coils and the spark plugs haven't been changed for a long time, but these ones were replaced probably a few thousand kilometres ago, so they're still okay.